chronic cough, then you want to blow dry it away. You've got some respiratory issues and you're just coughing all the time, right? And so here's a little strategy that you can use. Did you know that your blow dryer can actually help you with your cough? So you want to blow dry your chest. So you want to blow dry your chest area, right? Blow dry your chest area, and you want to blow dry the back. The back, you may not be able to reach your back, so you may need to have someone just blow dry it. Obviously don't burn yourself, but you want to blow dry it like that. You want to blow dry it until your chest gets warm and your back gets warm, and that will increase the blood circulation to your lungs. The reason why you're coughing is because there's inflammation, which is swelling. It decreases the air passageway, and also you may be secreting mucus because you're allergic to something, and that's tickling your throat, your lungs, causing you to cough. So in order to get rid of those mucus, in order to decrease inflammation, you need more blood circulation, not less. More blood circulation. This blow dryer can heat up your chest, which increases blood circulation, which will start shrinking the passageways, and it will help you loosen up the mucus. Temporarily, you'll cough more, but you're coughing that mucus out, and that's what you want, right? So follow me here.